So I saw a thing on Facebook. It was talking about stem cells, and I knew that I didn't want to have my knees replaced because I'd gone through it with my husband and how difficult it was. If I had a pain scale of 1 to 10, I thought, oh my God, mine's at 20. So I live north of the river in Kansas City, and there was a place that wasn't very far from my house, and they had a little hour thing and that you can go in for free and they'll talk to you about it. It was a thing that was frozen, and it came from someplace in Kansas, and they shipped it in, and I felt like they were used car salesmen, and I didn't like that at all. It was just a funny feeling in my stomach, and I'm kind of one of those people that if I shake your hand and I have that sick feeling in my stomach, I just know that that's just not for me. So then I saw another thing on Facebook, and they said it was different than anybody else. And so it was in Shawnee, Kansas, and it seemed to be amniotic fluid that wasn't frozen. And still in my thoughts about it, that just kind of gave me an upset stomach again, thinking, why would I put something in me from somebody else that I don't know what kind of diseases or anything that they had? And I have a friend, and a really long time friend, and I talked to him, and he said, well, Vicki, I have this place that I went to, and I think it's great, and they take the stem cells out of your fat. We started talking about it and talking about it some more. And then after I came to Kansas Regenerative Center, they were so great. I had a whole list of questions to talk to him about, and I wrote them all down and had them on my computer and was talking to him, and he answered the questions all the way that I wanted to hear them. And it's a big step, and I decided that I was going to pull the trigger on it. And of course that was right at Christmas time, when, you know, do you have that kind of money? No, but you do it. So, I mean, if you're going to invest, you might as well invest in yourself, don't you think? I think that. So that's kind of where we went, and it took me one day, literally one day. And then I was back on my feet again. I didn't have to be off work. I didn't have to do anything. And so it just went very well. Then I got better and got better, and by the third month, just with a week's period, I just knew, oh my gosh, this is so much better. I can tell you that I don't have that fear of going up and down stairs anymore. I was crippled before, and I'm not now. And I won't be getting my knees replaced for quite some time.